Hey, what's going on, fellas? I've got a 2006 Chevy Cobalt here, and I'm going to use this car to point out to you the location of the AC relay, the AC fuse, and also show you some troubleshooting steps for when your air conditioning is not working. So to start with, we're going to pop open this cover. We lift up on the tab on either side. Now the AC relay is here, and when that relay engages, it sends power to the AC fuse, which is right here. If this fuse is blown, you can find a spare 10-amp fuse located right here. Now you can see the fuse has exposed metal on it. So check the fuse first. If the fuse is good, you can then check to see if you're getting 12 volts present at the exposed metal when you have your AC turned on with the car on. If you do see 12 volts here, then you know that the AC relay is engaging. And if the AC compressor is not engaging, although you have power here, then you may have a bad compressor clutch, or the wiring to the AC compressor could be bad. On the other hand, if you do not see power present at this fuse, the AC relay is not engaging. And there can be a few reasons for that. For one, this AC compressor relay is controlled by the computer. And if the computer detects that your car is misfiring, or if it's undercharged or overcharged on Freon, then it will not turn on the AC, even though you'll have the AC turned on at the dash. So if your engine has a check engine light on, you know perhaps it's misfiring, you'll want to look into that. You can also check the level of Freon using your low side port here, and you can add Freon at that location if you're low on Freon. Further troubleshooting beyond that, we can try tapping on the relay. Sometimes relays get stuck, and tapping on the relay or wiggling the relay can cause it to unstick. We can also swap the relay. The fuel pump relay will go into that position. If after we swap the relay, the AC starts to work, but then the car dies because the fuel pump's not running, then you know that the AC relay here is no good. Now, when the AC relay is energized, all it's doing is it's connecting these two pins together. So you can try yourself, you can connect these two pins together just briefly as a troubleshooting step to see if that results in your AC compressor engaging. Be careful in doing that, as you can cause damage to your AC system or your engine, especially if your engine is misfiring or if your AC system is undercharged or overcharged. But if you connect these two wires here and your AC compressor does not engage, then you may have a bad compressor clutch. So yeah, I hope that this information was a good starting point for you. Please do let me know if you have any questions, or more importantly, if you have any advice about troubleshooting the AC on your Chevy Cobalt.